It begins with a beautiful mindset. Mindset is everything. It helps to focus on the beauty and inspiration in the world around us and to have gratitude.
A very good morning and a warm welcome to one and all present here. My name is Jashan and my name is Hazel. We begin today's assembly with the prayer. Kindly rise for the morning prayer. I request everyone to join their hands.
You don't have to control your thoughts. You just have to stop letting them control you. I repeat, you don't have to control your thoughts. You just have to stop letting them control you.
Thank you, Abhinu, for sharing this beautiful thought with us. I now invite Nadansh, Asrik and Avneet to present today's news headlines.
Everyone, Hamas surprise attack out of Gaza stuns Israel and leaves hundreds dead in fighting retaliation. On account of Gandhi Jayanti, the students of classes 3 to 5 had a discussion on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The students will have a poster making activity on 13th of October. This is how they will showcase their creativity.
I am here to bring you the latest weather update for Mohali. The current temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. The weather outlook calls for a sunny day.
Today we will shed light on the topic that touches the lives of each one of us. Mental well-being in a world that's constantly moving. It's crucial that we take time to care for for our mind and minds of those around us. So let's embark on a journey to understand the importance of mental well-being and how we can nurture it.
Mental well-being, what does that mean?
Mental well-being means feeling happy and good inside your head and heart. It's like taking care of your feelings and thoughts to make sure they are healthy and happy.
Oh wow, that is so interesting. Can you tell me more about it?
Of course, my friends are here to tell us about it.
Positive thoughts. When you think happy and positive thoughts, it can make you feel good. For example, when you tell yourself, I can do it or I am a good friend, it helps boost your mental well-being.
Love and support. When your family and friends love you and support you, it makes you feel safe and happy. Knowing that people love you is a big cause of good mental well-being. Fun activities, doing things you like, playing games, drawing, playing with the toys can make you feel happy. Having fun is important for mental well-being. Healthy body. Your body and your brain are connected. When you eat healthy foods, get enough rest and play outside, it helps your brain work well, which makes you feel good. Be kind. When you are kind to others and they are kind to you, it creates a happy environment. Being a good friend and treating others with respect can cause good mental well-being. When you talk to someone you trust, like your parents or teachers, about your feelings, it can help you feel better. They can give you advice and support.
Facing challenges. Sometimes we face challenges or problems, but when we try our best to solve them and not give up, it can make us feel proud and mentally well. We have feelings like happiness, sadness, and anger. It is okay to have these feelings, and it is important to share these feelings with grown-ups we trust, like your parents or teachers. Having friends and being nice to them is being part of mental well-being. Friends make us feel happy and supported. Being yourself, you are unique and special just the way you are being yourself and feeling good about it is a big part of being mentally well.
If something is bothering you or making you feel sad or worried, it's okay to talk to someone you trust. They can help you feel better.
Rest and sleep. Getting enough rest and sleep helps your brain and body to feel good. So make sure that you get a good night's sleep.
Eating healthy food gives your brain the energy it needs to work well. So eat your fruits and vegetables. Remember, just like you take care of your body by eating well and exercising, you also need to take care of your feelings and thoughts for good mental well-being. If you ever feel sad or worried, it's okay to ask a grown-up for help. They will be there to support you and help you feel better.
ribbons?
Yes, Ma. I like both the colors, so I'm wearing them together.
Okay, as long as you are happy. Take your lunchbox.
No one is talking to me. I'm probably not worthy to be a part of their group. They all have such fancy tiffins and eat lunch in groups. There's no one to share lunch with me. I feel so lonely.
Hello, Indra. Would you like to join me for a walk outside? Are you okay, dear? I see that you are upset. Is everything all right?
I don't have any friends. I feel all alone when I see them talking to each other, playing, and singing songs. I feel I can never be a part of their group. Nobody wants me around. Nobody talks to me. Nobody shares their tiffin with me. I always eat alone.
Andra, I'm glad that you are able to express your emotions. Your mother has packed nutritious food, which is better than having a fancy tiffin box. I can understand that it must be challenging for you sometimes, but you have the skills to respond to these situations in a positive way. You are not alone. Choose your way to manage these emotions.
My mother tells me to sing this song whenever I face difficulty in managing with my emotions, and I feel better.
Oh, is that why you were humming the tune while sitting in the corner? Good morning, students. Please pay attention. Good morning, students. Please pay attention. Our school is organizing an inter-school singing competition. If you are interested to participate, please come here and sing a few lines for the class. Okay, let's start. Good attempt, students. Anyone else? Andra, would you like to share your talent with the class?
Look at her hair.
She's wearing two different colored ribbons. How stupid.
Mom is so kind and supportive. Ma inspires me to sing, and I can sing well. I can show my talent.
Antara has managed to face her challenging emotions. As she stood out in her class, she stands with the same energy in this inter-school singing competition, ready to shine again.
Oh, this girl has amazing voice. I adore her.
That is our daughter.
The first prize for inter-school singing competition goes to Andhra.
Knowing and managing emotions are very important, like our capacities to see, hear, smell, touch, and think. Our capacity to feel is equally important for self-awareness. The ability to talk about feelings is important in adolescence when teenagers face emotional pressure. Always remember, you are not alone and should share your feelings. You have love and support, and your mental health and emotional well-being matter a lot.
Class C, we have prepared a song, We Are the World. Let's sing with them.
When the years have passed, when the world must come together as one, there are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all.
all a part of God's great big family. And the truth in the love's all we need. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Let's not try to make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true to make a better day. Just you and me. Send me your heart, so they know that someone cares, and their lives will be stronger and free. As God has shown us, by turning stone to bread, and so we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Let's not try to make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true to make a better day. Just you and me. When time out, the seems to move at all. But in just believe, there's nowhere we can fall. Let us realize that change can only come when we stand together as one. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Let's not try to make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true to make a better day. Just you and me. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Sarika ma'am to share few words.
Thank you, class 3B, first of all, for touching upon a topic which is less understood. Very few students know about what's mental well-being. Yes? So, I think we should thank first of all class 3B. Because when you do something in the preparation, you also understand a little bit more. And what we saw was very simple language, but lot of tips we have got, because you will be surprised that when I was in school, there were few words that children had never heard of. Stop discussing. I'll tell you, like stress. Stress word was never heard in our generation. Okay? Depression. This word didn't exist at that time. And children would be mentally very, very healthy. Physically, yes, you know, even your grandparents and all, they used to be very physically fit because they would walk, they would exercise, they would do a lot of their own work at home. And as technology has come in our lives, what has happened? We've started becoming lazy and dependent. We just want a remote control to switch on. There was a time when I had to watch the TV, I had to get up and switch on. And to change the channel also, we didn't have a remote control. We had to go and press the button to change. What was happening? We were very physically active. And because we were physically active, we did not have the time to think of, oh, I'm so bored, I don't don't know what to do, and children would go in the evening and play. We did not play all these games on the mobiles. I still don't know the names of so many games that you can tell me. It's not bad, but what I say is we need to balance. We are depending so much on technology that our own brain, which is a wonderful machine, the best machine in the world, because the computers have also been made by this brain only. So, the computer can never be better than our own brain. But what we are doing, you've heard the term, what is that, we call it when we put something in the bin and then class 5 must be knowing. You're putting something in the computer, you're saving all your trash. Yes. In your recycling bin. What you're giving to your brain is all your trash. And that is why it's not becoming healthy. It's always worried, stressed. It's not thinking positive. And that is why what you give, you will get out. So what is inside your brain will only come out. So if you are all the time worried whether I am winning this game or not, because that is just a short-term game. That's not your target. That's not the goal of the life. You are disturbing your mental peace. You are not becoming strong. You are all the time, you started using a lot of these words. I am stressed. What is to be stressed? That means you don't know firstly what is your problem and secondly how to solve that. Every problem has a solution. So if you are mentally strong, you will always understand that there is nothing that can bother me, that can worry me, because there must be a solution. Maybe it's not there with me, but it might be with someone else. And that is why when in the assembly they said, if you are bothered about something, if you are worrying about something, go and share it with someone that you know. It could be your parents, it could be your teachers, because they are little elder to you, they have little experience more than what you have lived. They will guide you, they will help you, they will give you a solution. And then you will be relieved of your problems. 2 words never use in your life. I am stressed. I am facing depression. Because if you keep telling your brain this, I am stressed, I am in depression, it actually keeps taking it. And the brain listens to you. What was that wonderful thought we had today? Yes?
You don't have to control your thought, just don't let the thought control you.
Wonderful. Let's clap for it. Being so attentive. And that is the whole purpose when I say, supposing I am getting a thought in the class, nobody is in the class. Let me just pick out that new pencil box that my friend has got from the bag. That is a thought that has come in my mind. Nobody is watching me. No, so controlling will come because this is the thought that you have got. Now your mind is, controlling you. Oh, let me go and take. What will happen? Nobody is seeing, nobody will come to know. I'll pick it. And then you give control to if you are controlling your mind, you will say, what if nobody is watching me? I always have to do the right thing. Whether if someone is watching or not watching. That is the strength that you have to give your mind, that even if you are in trouble, even if you are a lot worried about things, you have to choose the right path. You have to give the brain the right command. Yes?
Ma'am, but God is watching.
God is watching. Yes. if you understand that, then I think we'll never ever do anything wrong. But we all just heard the news today. What's happening in Israel? There is war. It's all because some people's thoughts are being controlled by few negative people. It's so easy. It's so easy to control your thoughts. But if you have a strength to control your brain thoughts, nobody can play with you. So children, today's topic is very important, but the path to it is very easy. 2 words we will not use. What is that? We are never stressed and we are never in depression. We are always positive and happy. So 2 words we'll always use. We are always happy. We are always positive. So if you give your brain that food, your brain will be smarter, stronger, and it will give you solutions to your problems like this. So all of you, make yourself very, very strong mentally. All these children who feel मुझे कोई प्यार नहीं करता है, मुझे तो कोई लाइक नहीं करता है, वो फ्रेंड मेरे साथ खेलती नहीं है, और my friend doesn't, so and so friend doesn't include me in the group. These thoughts should not come in your mind. Maybe those people are having some different opinion about you, like we had in this, who was that girl? What was her name? Antra. She had a different thought about herself, but when she opened up, when she showed what she was, everybody liked her. So sometimes we are thinking wrong about ourselves. Have the strength, confidence, courage to come and showcase yourself. So 2 words.
Positive and happy.
And that would help do everything. Thank you, Ritu ma'am, for picking up such a wonderful topic. And I think we all are going to become mentally very strong. Thank you.